Making money online as a beginner can be a great way to generate income, but it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and a willingness to put in effort. Here are top 10 methods you can consider. 1. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, web development, programming, digital marketing, or other fields, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. 2. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys, complete small tasks, or provide feedback on websites and apps through platforms like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker. 3. Content creation. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or an Instagram account in a niche you're passionate about. As your audience grows, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. 4. Dropshipping and E-commerce. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and sell products. With dropshipping, you won't need to handle inventory directly. The products are shipped directly from suppliers to customers. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission on each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate are popular affiliate marketing platforms. 6. Online teaching and courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. 7. Stock photography and video. If you're skilled in photography or videography, you can sell your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. 8. Online coaching and consulting. If you're knowledgeable in a specific area like fitness, business, life skills, or personal development, you can offer coaching or consulting services through platforms like Coach.me or Clarity.fm. 9. Selling handmade or unique products. If you're crafty or artistic, you can sell handmade crafts, artwork, or other unique items on platforms like Etsy. 10. Remote work. Many companies offer remote job opportunities for roles such as customer service, virtual assistants, data entry, and more. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list remote job openings. Choose any one niche and work on it.